I know a lot of you are really excited to get a closer look at this year's Christmas kit. This is a limited edition, special edition Christmas kit. We put one out every year. Every year it is different. It does work with the December collection theme, so you can easily partner this with anything that you get from our Let It Snow collection. We do not make our December collections overly Christmas, so we keep it a little bit more just kind of holiday neutral, let's put it that way. So we keep it more just kind of a December collection. But if you are like me and you love to just go full on Christmas with your setup, whether that be in your planner or in your memory keeping or paper crafting or journaling, then you're going to love the Christmas kit because it adds all of that specialness that you find with Christmas, and you can add that in. So as I said, this is a special. This does not come as a subscription. We had a pre-order for this. The pre-order for the kit has sold out. We may have a handful left after we package and ship them out, and we will list those, so be watching for those. The sticker kit, I always order some extra of that. So if you missed out, we sold it as a bundle option where you could get both or just the kit. I will have some stickers to list, though I know that for sure, but check back and we'll announce if we have some of these left to put in the store. So as I mentioned, if you ordered it as a bundle, you got both of these. If you ordered just the kit, then you only received this. So let's take a look at the sticker kit. And I should mention, if you pre-ordered this, these will be shipping out in November, right after we finish our regular shipping. So that's probably going to happen right around the 12th or 13th of the month. Don't quote me on that, but it's right around that time, give or take a few days, is when we should hopefully get those out. So the sticker kit that came with this has some of the cute little labels, icons, some of the words. I'm sorry, not icons, decorative. I keep calling them that. So you have some more decorative. You've got the cute little penguins with the Christmas wreath. There's a little reindeer there. A nice, beautiful green alpha. And then a sheet of vellum stickers with all of the Christmas sort of sayings and a few little strips, little washi strips there. So that's a look at the sticker kit. Now let's take a look at the whole kit. And there is so much in here. Comes in our regular folder, so easy storage. You can keep it all together. So you get this little guy, one of our little penguins. He's an embroidery clip. He's holding the little gift. You get a sheet of the enamel dots. This adorable washi tape. Isn't that cute? I was thinking how fun this would be to use on presents too. That's another thing that you could do with this is make Christmas cards. You could make tags for gifts. There's so much in here. You could do that as well. I'm going to use mine with my Modern Memory Keeping Kit and my Traveler's Notebook Kit. I'm going to combine them all together and work on a December daily type of setup. So I'm just going to go through these real quick and show you some of the cute little die cuts. These are stickers. They do have an adhesive back. So all of the fun presents, which you could stack. How cute would that be? See? It'd be so cute. And then the little to from, and again, some more gifts. Like I said, they'd be fun to stack. There's a couple of little penguins in here. There's a joy. And the trees. The little stockings are fun too. There's another little gift. Merry everything. A little wreath. The little stockings would be cute to put on a page with a little bit of string so that they look like they're hanging. There's another little guy. Some more snowflakes. And then, of course, Santa. You get a sheet of the embossed puffy stickers, and I'm trying to show you the dimension on these. They're just amazing. Love those. You get an entire set of, and I'm trying to show you the foil on here. So these have a gold foil stripe on them, and these are enough numbers to do the whole month. So if you do a December daily type of setup, or you do a memory keeping for every day of the month of December, then you have enough of the numbers to do that. And they are adhesive backed, so those are stickers. I'm not going to take all those out. You can see them. And then we have a set of, and again, these also have an adhesive back because we love that. It makes it super easy. You don't have to carry around as much adhesive if you don't want to. Some of these fun little quotes. Always some of my favorite things. I love to decorate my planner with these. I love to decorate my memory keeping or my memory planning with those. The stages of Christmas shopping, plenty of time. Oh no. So these are super cute. And again, these would make really great tags. If you wanted to do tags for gifts, these would be fun to add on there. So really, really cute. Gonna go lay under the tree to remind my family that I am a gift. So that's a look at those. And then you get 2 4x6 cards. So we have the one that says Merry Christmas, and then we have this one with the cute pattern on it. All things Christmas. You get 4 of them that are 3x4. You have the Keep Calm and Merry on. It's the most wonderful time of year, which you could actually cut that into, punch that, and you create a tag. Super simple that way. The Holly Jolly and the Merry and Joy with Santa. One of my favorite things in this whole kit is the large stamp set. There are so many fun things to layer in this. So we have the little Build a Penguin. So you have our little penguin guy here, and you have all of these different options on like his little nose you can color in. We have stuff to put earmuffs, a Santa hat, a top hat, bow tie, antlers, and the little scarf. So you can mix and match all of that stuff to build your little penguin. And then we have the Build a Present on here as well. You have a few little trees, and then we have the little banner, which fits the Merry Traditions holiday, and I believe the December will fit in there as well. So you can layer that. And of course, you can layer any of these with the trees or with the presents. And then we also have the circle. The season's greetings fits in there. And then you have all of the numbers. So again, if you're doing any sort of a daily memory keeping for December, there's another option for your dates, because you can put that in there, punch that out, and use it on every page, and then you'd have a great cohesive album. So much layering from this one stamp set. Make sure you check out my stamping video for December, and you will see how you can use all this along with the other 2 stamp sets from the other memory keeping kits. These are beautiful. I love these. So you get 4 large, and I love how big these are, Christmas trees. And they have the gold foil accents on them, and they're vellum. So they have this wonderful, delicate look about them. You can use them all together. You can use them separately, but they do have that pretty foil accent. Isn't that pretty? And I love how big they are. So you have some fun options with those. You get, and I'm running out of room here, you get a set of rub-ons. So again, if you think about the amount of product you're getting in this kit for the price, is just, this is such a great value. You get a sheet of vellum stickers. Super, super, super cute. And actually, we want to thank Eve for those. That's her Christmas gift to everybody that ordered this kit. She included those in here for you guys. So thank you, Eve, very, very much. You get a sheet of vellum, and this has foiling on it as well. It has the little gold stars along with the white stars, which look how pretty that is with the numbers and the trees. Love that. A fun overlay. Has the Christmas plaid, a set of red puffy alphas, and then you get 6 sheets of Christmas paper. Now this paper is not part of any of the other kits. Actually, nothing in here is part of the other kits except for the puffy stickers, because they're so dang cute. I had to include them in here as well, and the dots, because the dots, you always can use more dots, and it's just simple enough to include the same colors so they match the collection. So those are the only 2 items in this. Everything else is exclusive to this. So you get 6 sheets of patterned paper, 3 designs. They are double-sided. You get those cute little guys, these stockings, the red sweater, the sayings, the trees, and then I love this plaid. So that is everything that is included in our exclusive Christmas kit.